Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Farid Ananta with the student number of 122-111-223 or 20. And today I'll be showing you a code tutorial on how to make table of contents and also table of figures on Microsoft Word. So I got this plain document right over here and I need to turn it into something like this, okay? And the thing that we're going to emphasize on is obviously the table of contents like this and also the table of figures like this, okay? And the way we do so is to use the tools from Microsoft Word. There's actually within this references tab right here, and there's going to be table of contents right here for the obviously table of contents, and also the caption here for table of figures. So in order for us to do the table of contents, we're just going to start from the table of contents first. We need to implement the styles here right here first, okay? Specifically, we need to implement the headings. So I'm just going to apply the headings first, especially in the heading 1 and heading 2. So be back in a sec. Okay, so I've already implemented the heading 1 and heading 2 like that, okay? And then it will automatically sort the documents. So if you see like the navigation pane right here, will automatically set the sections of the documents based on the heading itself, and it goes the same as the table of contents. So we're just going to implement the table of contents right here, okay? And in order for us to do so, we have to go to references and we just select the table of contents. And then there's this preset right here, how you want it to look like. And I'm just going to choose the automatic table 1. And it will actually automatically sort out the table of contents like that automatically, mate. So yeah, and and you can actually update the table as well if you were to change the headings and stuff like that. And as you can see, it's actually like it's the same like as the navigation pane, something like that. And you can also modify this as well to your heart's content. Like for example, I kind of want to set it to the title contents, and maybe just modify it and just set it to blue ish like that, and table of contents. Now let's work on the table of figures. So for the table of figures, you need to use a different tool from the references there, which is the caption, insert caption tool. So it's basically to implement the caption for like pictures or any data like tables and stuff like that. And then it will actually sort them out automatically, just like the table of contents like that. So we're just going to implement right here. In order for us to do so, we just click on the caption for the pictures like that, and then we just press insert caption, and you can as you can see, there's the options, very different options, and you can actually set the table. For the pictures, I already set the picture table, so it will automatically change the caption name there based on the label. So we're just going to implement it, and then yeah, just like that. We're just going to do the same thing as this one. So in the caption, picture 2, and then something like that. Okay. All right. So there are only 2 pictures here, so we're just going to implement them right away. So in order for us um, to implement this, to make the table of figures, we need to basically use the insert table of figures. So you can select the preview and stuff like that, how it'll look like, and then just press OK. As you can see, it's there. It's basically there. You can also modify this as well, and also just the same as the table where you can update the table. You can also update it by right-clicking it, and then there's this update field right here. If you were to change some features and stuff like that, you just use the update field to be able to update the table. And for the title, I'm just going to use the title like this, and it's going to be table of figures, something like that. Alright, so that's actually it for the tutorial. It's actually really, really simple, and it's actually kind of helpful but once you already understand how to use them, because it will definitely save you a lot of time, especially when you are kind of confused on how to make a table of contents, and you just basically use the styling here, and then you basically implement it by using the references, table of content, and also if you want to use the table of figures, you just basically insert the caption and also insert the table figures. And that's actually it for this tutorial. And yeah, I'm going to see you later if there's any more assignment to do. And yeah, thank you for watching, and then goodbye.